Take a look at how this person took this picture, got 3,228 sales, and got over $95,000 from this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take any free picture from the public domain on your PC and turn that into $500 completely free, and all of these pictures that you can go and use are completely legal to use and legal to do so. This is a very basic step-by-step process, and you can even do this on your iOS or Android device if you want to, on your phone anywhere in the world. I'm going to go through each and every step throughout this video, so it's super important that you watch each and every step in order to get this right, so that you understand which platforms to go and find these images, which images to go and download, as we can't just go and use all of them, how to go and turn this into $500 and into a passive income online. Take a look at some of these examples over here. This image is an image of a sunset over Salisbury Park. This is an image of some random swimmers in a swimming pool. This is some random image of some kind of forest. Another image of two tigers, of a surfer, of a random plant on a beach, a random shop at night, another forest, a random church, a random desert, a person walking through the city. I'm also going to show you how you can take images from famous artists such as Vincent van Gogh, Claudia Monet, Leonardo da Vinci, and take these images and use them as your own. As on this website over here, they give you the right to download these and use them as you like. Whether you want to give them away, print them for yourself, or sell them online, you can go and take these images and use the strategy that I'm going to show you in today's video to go and make over $500 with this. And all these people are doing is using images just like this over here, listing it on this website and making tons of free money online. I just quickly want to interrupt. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic value-packed video just like this one. I'm also going to be doing an epic giveaway in today's video where I'm going to be giving away this pin booster secret program over here, which you will get completely free from me when you enter your email and username down below so that I can send this directly to your email. This is an entire program that will teach you how to go and use Pinterest to find tons of prospects and get tons of affiliate sales through pin automation, reverse engineering hacks of the algorithm, the anatomy of pins, how to create an attractive pin, visual real estate matters, and much more in this program over here. This is completely free for you to go and download. If you want to go and get this, all I recommend is go and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, leave a like down below and comment down below that you're ready, and I will reply to your comment with the link to this page over here. And also make sure to watch until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I quickly want to explain something to you guys. If you come over to Google over here, now most of you will know that you can't just go and use any image off of Google. As you will see over here, a lot of these images, if I click on, images may be subject to copyright, where your picture could be taken down and this won't work for you at all, and you'll most likely be banned from this. So it's super important to know this, because most people just go and download an image off of Google and then it doesn't work at all. What you need to do is, if you want to go and Google, you need to come over to the top search bar, click on More, click on Tools, click on Usage Rights, and click on Creative Commons licenses over here. This will filter Google by all of the images that you can go and use that have no license issues, meaning there's no copyright associated to any of these images, meaning you can download them, give them away, print them out, sell them under your own name, and do what you like with them. So once you've done that, you want to come over to Google and search up beautiful picture or any kind of nature, animals, forests, sunsets, you name it, anything that you think is beautiful, and you can go and use any one of these images over here for the strategy. The second thing that you can do that I recommend you do is come over to Google and go and search up public domain images, and this will filter out all the websites on the internet with tons and millions of images that you can also go and use for the strategy. For example, publicdomainpictures.net, public domain images from pexels.com. If you go and open up all of these websites over here, take a look at these high quality photos that you're allowed to go and use for this strategy. Same with this website here, all of these images you can go and use, and same with this website over here. There's also another website over here called rawpixel.com. So I've got a total over 4 websites over here that you can go and use with this. So there's really no way to run out of images with this, as there are millions of images on each of these websites. For the example of today's video, I'm going to be using this website over here called rawpixel.com because they have this section over here called art. Now, if you go and click on this, take a look at this. You can go and find all the copyright-free images from various different famous artists, desktop wallpapers, famous pieces of art. But if I go and click on famous artists over here, you can go and see all the famous artists, their pieces, what you can go and download, and all of these images over here are complete copyright free. So for example, if we go and click on Vincent van Gogh, you can go and open up all these images over here and go and use any one of these. So for example, if I go and choose this one over here of these boats on the beach, I'm going to go and use this. You can go and download this to your PC completely for free. All you need to do is just sign in with your free account with your name, email, or password, or you can go and use Facebook or Google to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to download this completely for free. I recommend go and choose the original JPEG size image, which is usually the largest resolution size, which is also the best quality. Go and click on free download over here. And as you can see, this is now downloading to my PC. The next step is we need to go and enhance this photo to make it look even better than the original version over here. So if we come over to Google and you go and search Photopea, which is a free version online photo editor like Photoshop, where you can go and enhance the contrast, the lighting, etc. Once you've landed on Photopea, click on open from computer and go and upload the exact same photo that we've downloaded over here, and it will look something like this. Go and click on image, go and click on adjustments, click on brightness and contrast, and we can go and up the brightness, increase it, decrease it, give it a bit of extra contrast to give it some more color. Click on OK once you're happy. You can also go and click on auto contrast over here where it will put some auto contrast, enable auto color, and enable auto tone over here. Once you're happy with your image and you've given it some color and extra contrast, click on file, click on export as PNG image. And once you've got your final image, there are two websites that you want to come over to. One called Printful.com and the second called Redbubble.com. So let's go and start off with Redbubble. Now, what I love about Redbubble, you can turn an image into literally anything, into poster arts, clothing ranges, pillow arts, phone cases, couch accessories, dog accessories, shopping accessories, hoodies, more gifts, backpacks, little stickers, notebooks, pencil bags, NFTs, and much more over here. And the best part about Redbubble is you don't have to make any of these products at all. They do all of this for you. But before we can just go and upload our image, add our image to any of these products, and just go and list it at a random price, hoping we get sales, there is a little bit of research that we need to go and do. In our case, we chose Vincent van Gogh art. So what we want to go and do is before we just go and list that, we want to go and search Vincent van Gogh art on redbubble.com and go and take a look at what other people are selling and their prices over here. So for example, this little image from Vincent van Gogh over here is selling for $23. These are little stickers that are selling for $1 or $2. Obviously, we're not going to be selling stickers. Here's another Vincent van Gogh t-shirt, another one over here, anywhere from $22 to $23. So now we have a good idea of what our competition is selling their products at, and we have a good idea of what we can go and sell our products at to beat the competition and still get a decent amount of sales and still make solid profits from this strategy. And if I go and do the same thing on Etsy.com and go and search up Vincent van Gogh to see what else is on this website, just to get an idea of how much we can make from this, take a look at this website over here. This person is selling a Vincent van Gogh framework at 390 Rand, which is about $20, which is about $30 as well. Some people are selling some Vincent van Gogh products on here for well over $1,000, such as this one over here. This person over here is selling Vincent van Gogh curtains at $30. So, and remember, this website makes all of these products for you. You don't have to go and make these curtains. You don't have to go and make these frames or these mugs or these images over here. This website puts everything together for you and you get your markup by listing your products over here. So to go and get started with this, go and click on sign in or sign up on Etsy.com. You can go and click on any with Google, for Apple or Facebook over here. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Same thing with Printful.com. Click on sign in or sign up with your accounts over here and you can go and sign up with your Google account. And once you've signed in, they're going to give you a whole bunch of different blank templates such as t-shirts, caps, mugs, an entire canvas poster over here, and tons of other products that you can go and create by just uploading the simple image that you got from the public public domain. So to go and get started with this, I recommend just go and finish all of these steps over here, such as confirm your email. Once you've done that, you can go and click and create a product over here. So I'm going to go and pick out a product, design it with the image that I've just created by literally just uploading it, and then going to go and list that on my store. Go and click on create your first product template over here and take a look at everything that you can go and create, from brands, collections, home and living, accessories, hats, men's clothing, kids clothing, and women's clothing over here. For our example, I'm going to go and click on home and living. I'm going to go and click on wall art and go and create some Vincent van Gogh wall art. So I'm going to go and choose firstly a canvas. Go and click on drop your design over here, and you can go and upload your file that you've just downloaded from Photopea that you've edited and made it and look all neat. Once you've done that, go and click on apply on the image that you've just uploaded and take a look at this. It will automatically add to your canvas. Just go and centerize it to the middle, and when you're done, go and click on continue over here. Click on got it, click on continue, and click on save product template over here, and it will automatically list your product template to your store. We can then go and click on create new again, click on home and living. This time we can go and click on wall art again, and we can go and make any kind of frame. So for example, this framed poster over here, we can go and upload our same design that we've just uploaded to Printful. Select it and click on apply and take a look at this. As you can see, this fits perfectly. We can click on continue over here and add this to our store. Click on save product template, and this has also been added to our store. And I recommend go and create every version of wall art over here, such as the smaller matte posters, the smaller frames, larger frames, and canvas frame over here. So it gives people more options. And over here, they actually recommend to you what the best seller is, what's new, and what is suggested to you. So for example, if you want to go and print an overall flag, you can go and choose this, which is currently the highest selling product. You can go and do the same thing, just go and upload your exact same picture, and when you get sales, Printful.com will automatically go and create everything for you, do all the deliveries and pricing and all the hard work, while you just keep your profits as the man in the middle. But I just wanted to say, I really hope you guys got a lot of value from this video, and what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave an entire playlist on the screen over here that will teach you more about funnel building, how you can go and create high converting and high ticket sales funnels to go and get tons of affiliate sales online. I'm also going to leave my dropshipping playlist over here, which will teach you how to go and create your own online stores on WordPress, Shopify, using AliExpress plugins to go and plug in products from those stores onto your own, which will automatically do all the orders, invoicing, and deliveries for you, again, while you keep up all the markup as the man in the middle. So these two playlists on the screen over here consist of my best videos that I've uploaded on YouTube in the past couple of years, compiled into two easy playlists for you. So what I recommend is go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.